Hello, dear PTE academic aspirant. My name is Shobit Tanan. I am from Super Achiever Abroad Education. Our center is located in Gurgaon. We have many branches here also. Today, I am introducing you the format of the PTE academic exam on the advanced level, not on the basic level general attendance, because I perceive that you have aware about the format of the PT academic exam, as there are total four sections: speaking, writing, reading, listening, and the total tenure of the PT academic exam is 3 hour. Time is varying 30 minutes for the speaking test, 60 minutes for the writing test, reading 30 minutes, and listening 60 minutes. This is actually approximately time, not the rigid time. It is varying there. So I perceive that you know all these things. I am introducing you the requirement of the PTE academic exam, especially I am targeting the 79 point for your PTE examination result. To understand the PTE examination, we have to understand the CEFR method. Actually, you heard this word, I suppose, earlier, that CEFR. CEFR stands for Common European Framework for Reference of Language. Actually, this is a common framework developed by the embassies, and all the overseas exams are aligned with CEFR level. So same here, PTE is also aligned with CEFR level, and same type of information you will get in the Pearson Volume 1 book also on the page number 156. So here we perceive that for the 79.9 point means C2 level, 65 point means C1 level. So 79 is the higher level of the proficiency in this exam. So if any candidate is targeting 79, so definitely candidate is targeting to prove himself or herself for the C2 level. So if a person could gain only 78 point, means candidate belongs to C1 level, not the C2 level. So if you are writing this exam again and again, and you are studying up to 78 in any particular skill, so means you are struggling not for only 1 point but for one level. So the definitely the approach of the C1 level are not effective to prove yourself for the C2 level. We have to forget the approaches of C1 level, and we have to adopt the approaches of C2 level. So what are those C2 level approaches for the PT exam? I will tell you in subsequent session. Thank you.